Welcome to Malibu Motors. Today we're looking at an SL 450, white on red, hardtop convertible. We're going to unlock the roof and open it from the remote. This car's got the massaging seats, air-cooled seats, neck scarf, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, satellite radio. What a nice interior, gorgeous. HARMAN KARDEN surround sound system with memory seats, illuminated door sills, push button start, keyless go, 61,000 kilometers. You got obviously navigation, reverse camera, massaging seats as we talked about. I'll just show you that. A lumbar massage inside here. That's the one back. Lane assist, park assist, camera, like I said, loaded to the nines. Gorgeous car, clean car proof, almost 62K, 61,196, not even 62K. Nice ambient red lighting there. Bluetooth, it's got it all. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous vehicle. Look at the pinstriping of red on there, gorgeous interior. The black trim at the bottom, the nice wheels. Summer's here. It's time to get out and enjoy your dollar. Spend it. You can't take it with you. Thanks for watching. As always, MalibuMotors.ca, 416-661-6623.